how to allow or block app permissions to access HomeKit data on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Next, scroll down and then tap on HomeKit. And in here, it's the application that have requested access to home data will appear here. And from the list of apps, you can tap on the toggle button to enable or to allow or block the app from accessing your HomeKit data. Now, because I have not have any apps that requesting access to HomeKit data, so here it will show a blank screen. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.